Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear. A rare model. Features also include leather trim seats, parking sensors, rear view camera, pre-crash system. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, rear parking aid, driver illuminated vanity mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.